Guys, I am not even joking anymore. After using this recipe, my hair started growing so fast, thicker, longer, and healthier. And the craziest part is the main ingredient is something most people throw away in the trash every single day: onion peel. Yes, onion peel mixed with fenugreek. This combination is so powerful for hair growth, hair thickness, bald spots, edges, and breakage. So if your hair has been refused to grow, your edges are disappearing, your hair break every time you comb it, please do not skip this video, because what I'm about to show you can completely change your hair growth journey. Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Glory Kelechi, and on this channel we grow long, thick, healthy natural hair using powerful homemade remedies. Please make sure you subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and join this hair growth family, because the recipe on this channel are real and effective. So let's go back to the video. Most people use onion juice, but today I want to show you something everyone underrates: onion peel water. Yes, this onion peel water itself is loaded with sulfur, antioxidants, and powerful nutrients that help wake up sleeping hair follicles. This help grow your hair faster, reduce shedding, strengthen weak roots, thicken thinning hair, repair damaged edges. And when you combine it with fenugreek, oh my goodness, fenugreek is rich in protein and nicotinic acid, which deeply nourish the scalp and boost instant hair growth. This combination is honestly one of the strongest natural remedies I have tried recently. So these are the ingredients we are using for today's recipe. Very simple but very effective, I kid you not. So I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek seed and 1 full hand of my onion peel. Please make sure you wash your onion peel, okay? It's very important, okay? So now let me show you how I prepare this recipe to get that effective results. First thing is pour in the 2 ingredients inside a clean pot, then add a clean water to it, okay? So next thing is to bring it to a boil. You're going to boil this only about 10 to 15 minutes. Please do not boil it more than 10 to 15 minutes, and also do not leave it on a very high heat, okay? Because when you boil it in a very high heat, you are killing the nutrients of these 2 powerful ingredients, making this recipe less potent. You will not get that good result you're supposed to achieve. So if you want all the nutrients of these 2 powerful ingredients to be intact, please boil it in a low firm heat, please, okay, so that you get that powerful result while using these 2 powerful and simple ingredients, okay? So once you boil it 10 to 15 minutes, the water will become very rich, because all the nutrients from the onion peel and the fenugreek are entering the water, okay? So after boiling it, then bring it down. Please do not boil it more than 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Please, so that you not kill the nutrients. So after boiling it, off your gas and bring it down. Then allow it to cool down like 2 hours or 3 hours. For me, I normally like to leave mine to cool for 5 to 6 hours before I go ahead and strain it, okay? So if you don't have much time, after boiling it, maybe 1 hour or 30 minutes, allow it to cool down, then strain it. But if you have much time, allow it to stay for longer time. It's also help the ingredient to infuse more, making the water more powerful, more potent, and more effective, okay, for better results, okay? So after allowing mine for 6 to 7 hours, then this is what I have. This is how the color is: very rich, very dark, very potent, and very effective. That's the benefit of leaving it longer time. The longer time you leave it, the better results you got, okay? So after bringing my bowl and my shifter to strain it, this amount of the spray I have so far. This spray is what we need for that crazy hair growth. Now this recipe is ready. But wait until you see how I apply this, because this part is where most people make mistake. Now, listen carefully and follow the instructions so that you can achieve that crazy result with this recipe, because the application is where a lot of people make a lot of mistake, ending up not seeing results after using this recipe. So if you really want to get good results on this recipe, pay close attention and follow the exactly method I will share with you right now, so that you can achieve that crazy result with this recipe. Okay, so first thing you must do before you apply this treatment on your hair is to make sure your hair and your scalp are super clean. It's very important. A lot of people make mistake by using this treatment on a dirty hair or on a dirty scalp, leading to no results. So if you really want to get good results, use it on a clean scalp and also on a clean hair, because clean scalp and a clean hair is where healthy hair grows. Okay, a dirty hair can never grow healthy hair. Okay, so use it on a clean hair and also on a clean scalp for that effective results. Okay, so just spray this on your hair. So once you spray it on your scalp and also on your hair strands, do not just spray and leave it. Please, this is another important thing you must do. Do not just spray this treatment on your scalp and also on your hair and you just leave it. The most important thing you must follow up is to massage your scalp. Massage it at least 5 to 7 minutes, okay? Because the massaging helps stimulate blood circulation and pull the treatment deeply into the hair roots, okay? And guys, this feels so refreshed on the scalp. And also, do not forget to apply this treatment on your length, especially your edges and the ends of your hair, because it helps to strengthen your length and also strengthen the ends of your hair and help to regrow your edges thicker and healthier. Okay, so if your edges are thin, please focus this spray in that area. Okay, and also your hair crown are weak, also apply it directly that section too. Okay, this spray is very effective, guys. If you can use it the way I direct you now and be consistent with it, I kid you not, you definitely see that huge transformation on your hair using only this simple spray on your hair. Okay, so remember, this treatment is not for rinse out treatment. Please do not wash it out of your hair if you really want to get that good result. You don't need to worry anything about the smell. This do not smell any horrible at all, okay? Because the onion peel does not smell like onion juice, okay? So just use this as a leave-in treatment. Make sure you follow all with your leave-in conditioner and also oil your scalp. Now let me give you my secret bonus. My secret bonus is covering my hair with my shower cap. Then I'll follow up with my steamy cap. I will leave it on my hair like 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll remove them and allow my hair to air dry. This will give me crazy results. So if you can apply this method, you will get more faster results on it. I'm not joking. These are my secret way I use this treatment, and that's the result I'm gotten so far. My hair have been growing like crazy, thickening up, stop shedding, breakage, and my hair is feeling more healthy than ever. So if you can apply this method, I kid you not, you'll be very glad that you do so. So my second secret bonus tip is using it in the night. Okay, is another way I use the treatment that help me grow my hair faster, see faster results. That's no joke. Okay, this two method is one of the most powerful way you can use this recipe, and you will never ever regret it. I'm not joking. Okay, so this method is very powerful. Like as I said, do not wash it out if you really want to get that faster result with this recipe. You will see how faster your hair will start growing, how thicker your hair will become, and how less shedding and breakage you will experience. That's no joke. But remember, consistent is the key. Okay, so if you can follow this instruction and follow the bonus tip I gave to you, I kid you not, you start noticing very fast change on your hair. Your hair will start growing like crazy. Your hair will feel so soft, fuller, stronger, thicker, healthy, and the shedding will reduce so much. There's no joke. Okay, but the biggest shock will be the growth. Your hair will start growing so fast that everyone around you will start asking you questions. This recipe is special amazing for slow hair growth, damaged hair, postpartum shedding, bald spots, weak edges, and dry natural hair. Okay, so if you are going to try this recipe, comment growth in comment section below. Okay, I really want to know who is joining this hair growth journey with me. Okay, so tell me, are you trying this to grow your hair long, thicker, or growing back your edges? Let me know in comment section below. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with someone struggle with hair growth. So guys, we have come to end of today's video. Please, if you have any question, do not forget to ask. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there and be safe. Bye. Mwah.